What's up, everybody? Just hit 2,000 subs. Couldn't be more thankful for you guys supporting the channel. Decided to go ahead and implement the members piece of the channel. I kind of explained this in one of the videos that kind of leads up to this. No obligation to do any of this. This is just more ways to support the channel if you want to do that. Created 5 different levels of membership, ranging from $1.99 and one's all the way up to I think $39.99. The $1.99 one mostly just gets you gets loyalty badges next to your name for like in comments and live chat, so people can see that you're like an active supporter of the channel. They also increase based on the month, so the longer that you've been a member, your badge changes with that. So you get custom emojis to use in the live chat as well as a couple of funny ones, and I'll be uploading probably 10 more of those in the next couple days. Also going to be doing a members only Facebook group. There's a current group, UKC Army. I think you guys have probably seen that by now. If not, there's a link in the description. Also going to be doing a members only version of that, where I'm just going to post little stuff here and there, mostly not like behind the scenes stuff, but little short clips that don't necessarily need a whole video. Probably a lot of like simple how-tos. So if somebody asks me a how-to, I'll just go make a video, a 2-minute, 3-minute video, something like that, and I'll be posting those in there. Next step up is $4.99. There's a members only live stream. You get all the stuff from the previous levels as well. So anytime that you step up in price, you still get all the previous stuff. There'll be members only live stream, mostly just with in-depth like powder help for people. And then this says status and photo updates, and I picked this, but I actually have no idea what it means. So I know that I'm not selling you on this very well. The UKC Army Gold is the same thing, but you also get shout-outs and videos. So if you have a channel, this would be, I only have 2,000 subs, obviously. But this is a good way to grow your channel if you have a smaller channel starting out, and I'm always happy to help more channels grow, obviously. So UKC Army Platinum Edition is all that stuff off, plus you get 25% off merchandise from the online store, which the online store, actually, I just got the email right before making this video saying that it is ready to go live. So I'm going to go through and approve everything that's in it, make sure everything's price-wise is the way it's supposed to be. I'm going to do an inventory check since there's like 6 different shirts now. And then I'm going to be launching that. So you get 25% off merchandise from the online store just for being part of this. That includes, shirts, stickers, lanyards, all that type of stuff. And then you also get a free lanyard or stickered monthly. We also have wristlets and jet tags, but it only lets you type in a certain amount here. So basically you'll end up getting a code, same as the 25% off. You'll get a code for the online store that allows you to get free stuff every month that you're a member of this. So like I said, in this one that's $19.99, you get a free lanyard or stickered or wristlet or jet tag. And then the very last one is the $40 one. It's the most expensive one, but you get a merchandise bundle every month with that. So you get a new shirt, lanyard, stickers. There'll be some kind of like merch that's gonna move in and out a little bit, but you'll guaranteed get at least a shirt, lanyard, and sticker. And right now there's 6 different shirts, and I think there's 8 different wristlets, 2 jet tags, and 3 lanyards. So, and we're gonna rotate those out too, so you won't be stuck getting the same stuff over and over and over. Anyway, the way you join this, you just hit there's a little join button, little blue button next to the subscribe button here. Hopefully you've already subscribed and turned on all notifications. You hit that join button and it gives you the option to pay. This is a monthly charge, so keep in mind that you're gonna be paying for this every month if you sign up for it, but you can cancel it at any time. So you could also upgrade at any time, I saw. So I guess if you guys got any questions about that, let me know. Hopefully it's just a way to make the channel grow more. All I'm going to be using, any of the income that comes from this is just going to go back into channel stuff. Like I've already kind of set a plan for any YouTube money that I've made so far has already gone back into channel stuff. But we're going to keep kind of growing the channel with your guys' help, because you guys have been responsible for growing the channel the whole time. So yeah, look forward to that, and I guess enjoy.
By now you should have at least blown. It's funny, I'm mad famous for being unknown.